Hello, this is Peter from Man King Homestead. Today's Sunday, and we had rain and thunderstorms almost all day today. We had a very short period of time when the sun came out, so I wasn't able to get a lot of videoing done today. Well, FedEx came today. Got a couple more things from Walmart. Got a package of batteries. And I got a lantern. And this lantern is rechargeable. It's really going to come in handy. Thank you to both of the subscribers that sent these. I really appreciate it. And also, I guess I've got some work to do on my Walmart list. I found out today that one of my items was listed as pickup only. I went to check to see what was going on with it, and it was showing delivery to Brooklyn. So I had to change that to Parish. So I'm going to have to go through every item and make sure they don't have that messed up on any of the other ones. Well, I let the chickens out in pouring rain this morning. They came out, got something to eat, and then they went right back inside. And then they came out, when the sun came out, they came back out for a little while. And then got another thunderstorm moved through this afternoon, and it rained a couple hours with that. Back inside again. So, hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. But I hope you enjoy what I was able to video today. Well, the chickens are having a nice moist breakfast. I forgot to take the feeder in last night. I like to take it in at night to keep mice and rats out of it. But last night, I forgot to take it in. And of all nights to forget to take it in, it rained all night. But luckily, I don't keep too much food in it, so they seem to be eating the food even though it's wet. So I guess we're okay there. Alice said that's enough of this rain. She ate a little bit and she went right back inside to stay dry. I don't blame her. With this mud the pigs have today, you'd think they'd be out here enjoying it. Nope. There's Mama Pig and one piglet out here. The rest of them are in the barn. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please like my video. And please continue watching. I hope tomorrow I can get back outside and be back out in my office. That'll do it for now. See you tomorrow. Have a good one, everyone.